So did you know that you can actually restore your BeReal account even if you deleted it? So just tap on your profile in top right, tap on three dots in top right, tap on help, tap on contact us and delete an account. And here I just want to show you that if you deleted your account, if you already did that, you still have 15 days to log back into your BeReal account. So if during those 15 days you log back in, your account will no longer be deleted. So that's what you can do. Yep. And yeah, so try that. So you don't need to create new account. And I think your data still is not deleted after 15 days. Or maybe it's just hidden, so I don't know these details, but the fact is that, yep, you don't need your account to be created completely new if you have like less than 15 days pass after deletion of your account.